We live in a world where almost everyone wants to make money online. People dream of freedom, waking up when they want, working from anywhere, and never worrying about bills again. But behind all the get-rich-quick videos and all the perfect Instagram posts, there's a truth that few people talk about. A truth that decides who actually succeeds and who gives up after a few weeks. This video is about that truth. And by the end, you'll understand exactly why some people build their dream life online, while others stay stuck, scrolling through success stories that never become their own. Part 1. The dream. We've all imagined it. Sitting in front of a laptop, earning money while we sleep. Seeing that PayPal notification pop up. You've received $100. It feels magical, doesn't it? That's the dream. And it's possible. But it's not magic. The internet doesn't reward people who wish. It rewards people who learn, build, and keep going when it gets hard. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a business degree. The more value you give, the more income you create. Part 2. The illusion. Here's what most people do wrong. They chase money instead of skills. They want fast results without patience. They want the secret website that will make them rich, but they don't want to spend 1 week learning something new. That's the trap. And it's why 95% of people quit before they ever earn $1. They say, I tried dropshipping, it didn't work. I tried freelancing, no one hired me. I tried YouTube, no one watched. But the truth is, they didn't fail. They just stopped too soon. Every skill feels hard at first. Every business takes time to grow. Every success story you admire today once looked impossible. Part 3. The path. So how do you actually make money online? Here's the simple path no one talks about. Step 1. Learn one skill. It can be anything. Writing, video editing, designing, marketing, coding. Create content, share your work, help people online. Don't wait to be ready. Start messy, but start now. Step 3. Offer value. That's where money comes in. Help someone solve a problem and they'll pay you for it. That's freelancing. Share helpful knowledge and YouTube pays you for it. That's content creation. Recommend good products and you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing. It's not complicated. It's just uncomfortable at the beginning. But that discomfort is the price of freedom. Part 4. The quiet work. The truth is, success online isn't built in public. It's built in silence. When no one is watching your videos, when no one is buying your service, when you feel like nothing is working, that's when most people quit. But if you stay, if you keep improving quietly, the internet will eventually notice. The algorithm might not reward you today, but it remembers consistency. And when your moment comes, it will come fast. One video goes viral. One client gives you a big order. One opportunity changes everything. And everyone will call you lucky. But you'll know it wasn't luck. It was patience. Part 5. The truth. The truth about making money online is simple. It's not about websites, trends, or secret tricks. It's about who you become while building it. If you learn to stay patient when things are slow, if you learn to create value when no one's clapping, if you learn to believe before anyone else does, then you've already won. Because in the end, the money is just a reflection of your growth, so don't look for the easy way. Build yourself. Start where you are, with what you have, and refuse to stop until it works. Because one day it will. If this message spoke to you, leave a comment saying, I will not quit. Because that's where your journey begins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll talk about how to use AI to build passive income, step by step.